was to a Palestinian state. Indeed, Netanyahu's own Likud party shifted much further to the right in the pre-election primaries. Israel's new housing minister, Uri Ariel, is himself a settler, committed to further building in the occupied territories. The leaders of the second and third strongest parties in the coalition after Netanyahu's Likud, Yair Lapid and Naftali Bennett, differ dramatically on the peace process and united by largely avoiding the issue. But should the United States successfully launch a peace process with the Palestinians that begins to make real progress, then Netanyahu's coalition will feel the strain. At the same time, Netanyahu may launch a limited process soon to try and split this Bennett-Lapid alliance. The Prime Minister could count on other parties to support him if he's really willing to make major concessions, but this would quickly become highly contentious within his own party and within the coalition. Second,
contentious, contentious, contentious.